Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the control condensation settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is you want to go over into the menu. Now we want to go into Adjustment and Maintenance and select Maintenance. Here we will have Control Condensation. And here we can enable it, and as you guys can see, during versionation of this device to control condensation, max 3 hours, blurry images may be printed and print density may decrease. So now let's click OK, and here we can use fax memory lock, and we also can use the fax memory lock and do not allow job printing during the process of the condensation. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.